Okay, we've taken this here and you can see we've rounded it down some. So we're ready to put this on here for our side, and the other side is ready. So we're going to glue this piece on, let it set up for a few hours, and then we'll glue the other side on. I've also put a couple of screws in here and here to keep pressure on that so it doesn't come apart on us.
BetterHelp comes in. BetterHelp is a way to get you hooked up with a therapist. Therapy can give you the tools to find more balance in your life so you can keep supporting all those others without leaving yourself behind. Check out BetterHelp. Once again, the way it works is you will fill out a brief questionnaire. You'll get matched up with a licensed therapist, and the key to this is all done.
I'm going to spread this glue out good.
So your journey of
cover your entire piece here.
Convenient, which can be a key factor here. And you'll be hooked up with a therapist. And you can do this with the cameras.
We'll clamp, like I said, we'll clamp this, let it set for a few hours. Then we can add the other side because then it's not going to slide on us.
Switch therapists at any time for no additional charge. For more balance in your life, check out BetterHelp. The way to do it is you go to betterhelp.com/btshow. That's betterhelp.com/btshow. Do it today. It'll knock 10% off your first month. BetterHelp.com/btshow.
Line this up where we want it.
BetterHelp, H-E-L-P. BetterHelp.com/btshow. Coming up, we have also an interesting thing regarding your dog and marijuana. This is the Bob and Tom Show. Text us at 888-262-8661. More Bob and Tom next. State law. Did you know 1 in 4 car batteries is weak?
You just want to make it nice and snug here so you can still make a slide it here and there if you need to.
Our professional parts people can help you find the best superstar battery for your vehicle and budget. Don't wait. Get your battery tested for free today at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Angie's List is now Angie's, and we've heard a lot of theories about why. I thought it was an eco-bloom. Yours?
So we got that pretty much where we want it.
It's to be more iconic. Must be a tech thing. But those aren't quite right. It's because now you can compare upfront prices, book a service instantly, and even get your project handled from start to finish. Sounds easy. It is. And it makes us so much more than just a list. Get started at Angie.com. That's A-N-G-I. Or download the app today.
If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
Your first choice when it comes to your compact and construction equipment needs. Each of our 29 locations has a diverse lineup of new, used, and rental equipment, along with a wide variety of parts inventory and experienced service technicians. Our field service capabilities will keep your machines moving and keep you on time. Let Murphy Tractor's John Deere equipment be your first choice. Give us a call at 855-246-9124 or visit us online at murphytractor.com. Gilbert worked in retail and restaurant management for 14 years. It was time for a change. I recognized where I was at was vulnerable to...
Just wipe off this excess glue for now.
Gilbert went for it. In as little as 7 months, I got all my certifications at a fraction of the cost for college. He became an IT pro in just months with zero experience at mycomputercareer.edu. I can work from anywhere. I have more time for my family as well. It's not rocket science. It's mycomputercareer.edu. This is one student's experience.
Now we'll set this aside, let it set up, and we'll add the other piece on this side. Thanks for watching.